Y'all, we about to prank my mama, okay? My sister Lexus. So give us a like, share, subscribe, everything. Okay, I'm about to set this camera up. No, they'll free. No. It smells tight. It smells like hot. It smells kind of good. Can you tell what was something? No, text me. Go to the house. Yeah. Oh, text me. Be like, I'm coming. Your mama coming. On Facebook. I don't got Facebook. Just go in. It's disgusting. Tell wait to. Oh, a little bit. You don't need it. I'm gonna get a lot. And then you be like coughing as I go. Put some in the nose here. What is that she getting now? I can't get it. Can't get it because. Wait.
Hey! Come get your daughter!
Oh snap, Lex, you alright? Lex, you good?
Oh my goodness! Oh my fucking god!
Lexus!
Lex, you good?
Call 911! You got a phone!
What the freak?
Lex, you good?
Lex!
Lex!
Lift up!
What's coming out your mouth?
Can you give me the
Oh my god, somebody called the
Where the phone?
I don't know. My phone back there on the charge, get it.
Ready? Lift up!
Yes, we have a Mom, what's the address? Mom, what's the address?
I'm at Cut on the Winds on room 2
Carolina Winds,
1010.
room
1010.
off of 76th Avenue North. My sister is coughing up blood and everything coming out her nose and stuff. Yes, like she just started. We had to come out the bathroom for her. Yes, sir, off of 76th Avenue North.
Lex, you alright? Prank, baby.
It's a prank, man.
It's a prank.
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
It's a prank.
It's a prank.
I'm sorry.
It's a prank.
Let me clean this up.
Clean it up. It's a prank. Y'all, if y'all like this prank, give it a like, thumbs up, and a share. It says subscribe to Deonica Canty channel. Get this prank to like 2,000 likes.